We see 4 different terms, a cubic term, all these middle terms, factored by grouping is what we're going to have to try. I'm going to break this up into pairs, or groups of 2, and in each group of 2 I'm going to look for that common factor. Among these two terms, between the 6 and the 15, I can see there's a common factor of 3, and I can pull an x squared out of both of these terms as well. When I do that, I need to figure out what would I multiply by this by to get 6x cubed. And that would, of course, to get the 6, I need a 2, and need an x cubed, I need another x. Then I'll think about what I'd multiply this by to get negative 15x squared. To get a negative 15, I would need a negative 5. To get an x squared, I've already got that. So this is taken care of. On the next set, there's no common factor. Fiddle-dee-dee. Well, when that happens, we are going to still pull out a 1 or sometimes a negative 1 depending on what's happening, but we want to factor something out. Since this is leading with a positive term, I'll factor out a positive 1. It might seem silly, but the whole point is to get these parentheses set up so that we can then factor out that common group. So if I put a 1 on the outside and I want to get a 2x, I'm left with a 2x. And if I want to get a negative 5, it has to be negative 5. Because 1 times 2x would give me 2x. 1 times negative 5 would be negative 5. And I notice that these are now identical. So they act as the common factor. So I'll factor 2x minus 5 out of both of these guys. And if I factor this guy's 2x minus 5 away, it's a 3x squared. And then over here a plus 1. So this would be my final answer. That was a tricky one. Factoring out that 1. You could do it.